Alright, all set for Thailand. Another trip, but this time around it's a boys' trip, so stay tuned.
Yo, this is my first international trip with boys, guys. I hope this is going to be the most amazing trip of my life.
Fantastic. On the way, headed to pick up Rohit. We should be there in about 2 minutes to his house. He was getting ready. I had told him a time of 8:15, but yeah, it's 8 o'clock, so we are a little early, so which is good. So we want to probably now jump off to the airport and then from there get a few beers. So now reaching the airport shortly. So Rohit has joined us and Sudeep is on the way. Amit has, I think so, reached. So in the next 5 minutes, we are at the airport. So आलेलो आहोत एअरपोर्टला. Bags are getting offloaded. We are sorted. Super duper ekdam. Kaushal, how are you feeling?
Amazing.
Sir, Sanjay. Solid. Are you ready? कौशल एकदम कॉन्शियस झालेला आहे आणि त्यामुळे मी कौशलचा सगळे व्हिडिओ मी घेणार आहे, सगळे व्हिडिओ कौशलचे. Alright, so these guys have entered. I don't know what. Uncle Rohit has a problem.
अमितला म्हणतो गेट नंबर 3 ने आते.
मैं उभे आहेत. Okay, so finally check-in झालेलं आहे आमचं. It's done. Kaushal, how was your check-in experience with Thai Airways? After 2005,
Yes,
20 years. It's been taken 20 years for you to achieve a boys trip. No? 20.
आणि परत
या माणसाला 20 वर्ष लागली आहेत. 20 वर्ष and 20 years. It's taken 20 years for you.
again back to Bangkok.
Yes. So now pretty much empty.
I'm
So
glad.
which is very good. It's just 8:40 and we finished. We've got another 3 hours now.
Going to Bangkok. Come on, buddy.
सुदीप का एयरपोर्ट लोग एकदम Adidas, completely sponsored by Adidas. Alright, so now all set.
पोस्ट करू नको फक्त.
हा पण बघतो.
ये बाबा.
पोस्ट होणार आहे यूट्यूबवर. यूट्यूबवर पोस्ट होणार आहे चॅनलमध्ये. Time being spent now Kaushal on duty free. Rohit is in some argument. Sudeep is right there busy. Kaushal, आपण कोणाला बघितलं आता?
We saw Sachin, boys.
Sachin
You guys are
Tendulkar
missing
just crossed.
something.
Kaushal, Sudeep, Amit. After a lot of sangharsh,
ये कब दे तो
finally
फोटो के. ये आलिया कब देगी.
Finally, Asia Cup is here. Asia Cup. So let's see now what's happening. Rohit, are we removing the kitty now?
पहिले मला हे दे. मला 7,000 बात कोणी झाली बंद.
Kaushal has given 7,000 baht. Kaushal,
हे एवढ्या
the players have come.
38,400.
Must. Amit, please give 7,000 baht.
दिले आम्ही ते भरले.
भरले?
माझे आम्ही ते 80.
Sudeep, you've given?
हा माहिती येऊन दे. थांब
कौशल?
येऊन दे ना. अजून एक घ्यायचं ना सुदीप. हे झालं. हे आणि तू ग्रुप मध्ये नव्हता तो परत पाडू दे.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
One sec. Okay.
Okay. Cheers.
So after some delicious beer, it's already 10:23 आणि आम्ही अजूनही beer पितोय. Cheers. We have to go to the gate by 10:40. 23:35 is the flight. Thai Airways to Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi. So
Now
in the
the
next 5
final-
minutes आम्ही निघू. Correct.
Final
Sudeep.
can be.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Cheers, Kaushal.
Cheers.
Are you excited? After 20 years. All right, guys.
अरे म्हटलं भिकारी नाही आम्हाला 9 दिवसामध्ये 9 दिवस 2-3 तास दिसतो 5-5 मध्ये येतो 50 नंतर ओला
So Kaushal upgrade
All thanks to them.
No, not at all. We're about to take off. I think so. There's too much traffic on the runway. Let's take the time. Let's go. All right, off to Bangkok. At the airport. Right, so my journey begins with a shank. Fantastic. Cheers, Kaushal. Cheers. So we've called for Shang beer, Singer, and a glass of champagne. Comes along with some nuts, a bottle of water. Alright, so dinner served. That's my beer, some dessert, butter, cheese. That's the snapper curry. So that's a salad, sticky rice. Lovely. Beautiful. God bless. Thank you, God. Good morning, everyone. We had a good night's sleep. Landing in the next 20 minutes. Just woke up. Fantastic. Relax, relax, first land, and then drive to Pattaya. Alright, so welcome to Bangkok. Okay, so we're on the way to Pattaya. Just took the van. Alright, good morning. आम्ही अजून गुड मॉर्निंगच करतोय लाईफमध्ये because we have stopped right now. Weather, some Chang beer. So, massive problem right now. We all are waiting for the taxi guy to come in. There is too much traffic on the beach road and the driver is missing. Unfortunately, त्याला English बोलता येत नाही. So that's the bigger problem. We'll have to see what happens next. And we have to reach the villa at 1 o'clock. It's already 12:40. It's a total mess. So we are in the villa. I'm going to do a quick tour for you. That's the kitchen. That's the TV room. And that's the pool. Boys are chilling. All right. So good morning everyone. आज आम्ही विला मधनं चेकआउट होणार आहोत. And we are headed to the hotel for one night. We had a very long day yesterday. We went for a lovely dinner by the canal. Had some amazing Thai food. And from there we went to Walking Street. And from Walking Street we went to this nightclub called Lucifer. Had a few drinks there. Alo, walk kela. Last day order damlo those fantastic foot massage. And then came home and crashed. So आता सगळे उठले. And in about 20 minutes we leave for the hotel. Alright, so time to check out from the villa. This was the place. ही जागा होती एकदम fantastic. We had a wonderful time. The cleaners are here and they have pushed us out. So here you go. The boys are ready. So Amit, how was your experience?
Absolutely fantastic.
Fantastic. Sudeep, what do you have to say about the villa?
I think the villa was amazing. The pool was fabulous, and we had a great time.
Excellent. Kaushal, you enjoyed the villa? Oh, lovely. The Bolt is here. इकडे उबर नाही, बोल्ट म्हणून एक ॲप आहे आणि सगळं कॅशवर चालतं. सो त्यामुळे तुम्ही ॲप डाउनलोड करा, कॉल फॉर द कार अँड देन यू हॅव टू पे द मनी इन कॅश. ओके, सो नाव हेडेड टू द हॉटेल. तर आपण आता हॉटेलला भेटूया. ऑलराईट, सो आता आमची गाडी आलेली आहे. आज लवली कार. Putting the luggage in. Fantastic. The mast gaadi hai, top. Time to head to the hotel. Phenomenal. All right, thank you, Anona Villa. Anybody wants to stay here, this is the place. It's a little far. मैं साधारण 15 मिनट है पटाया बीच रोड पास में, but totally worth it. तुम्ही राहू शकता इथे. And if you're in a large group, it's even more fun. Pool, etc. And Grab, which is the Uber Eats app, that's the best one. किंवा स्विगी झोमॅटो काय आपण मुंबईमध्ये वापरतो तसं ग्रॅब म्हणून आहे. फटाफट 15 मिनटामध्ये फूड, एव्हरीथिंग. ब्रिलियंट स्टफ. सो नाव गेटिंग इन टू द car. Beauty. Hello. Superb. So now headed back or headed to the hotel. 2 वाजताचा चेक इन आहे.
लोकेशन तर बोलतो बहुतेक बरोबर पकडत नाही.
पोमोग्रानेट लागला हो रे.
Kaushal, I think so. I have some fruits today. आपण फळं खाल्ली नाही.
Yeah, we should have.
थायलंडची फळं are one of the best.
मस्त ते.
फ्रुट्स आणलेले
आणि ते ह्याच्यात मी बॅगमध्ये जाऊन
right, so now checking in to the hotel. Just finished the formalities. Rooms are ready, which is good news. Must have. The best news. The room is ready. थांबायची गरज नव्हती. So check-in is done. Alright, finally hotel check-in झालेलं आहे. Now we are at Pattaya beach. Beautiful weather today. एकदम fantastic weather आहे बघा beach.
घे ना एक खूप घे ना.
Order for Shang beer. Lovely. So plan is to have a beer. Have a nice massage. And then we'll get our room. So sorry, I had mentioned earlier. It was my bad. But that's what happens in Thailand. So either you pre-book one night or you come at 3 o'clock. Cheers. All right, so where are we going, guys?
Going on a boat ride.
Okay, so that's Pattaya City, that's Hilton, and the boys are excited to do a speedboat ride. So we are going for a speedboat ride. Excited. It's a little overcast right now, but it's okay. But just go for a good half an hour speedboat ride. It'll be fun. Looking forward. We have hired a private boat and we are going to go for a speedboat ride for 30 minutes. Alright, so आलेली आहे boat. त्यांनी आम्हाला काहीतरी 1,500 रुपये घेतलेत.
We thought it was a scam, but
Pattaya shooting range, which is at the basement of the Tiffany show, and we're gonna fire some firearms today. You know, pre-Diwali celebration.
Pre-Diwali, we are celebrating by
And
bursting.
these guys are here. Those are bullets. Bullets. Ooh, so this is what we have. This is the ammo. हा मस्त गोळ्यांचा भंडार आहे आणि आज आम्ही शूट करणार आहोत. First round done that. Now they're going for a second round. We're shooting on block 17. Currently shooting or something 38. Deep, how was the experience?
Awesome experience.
Amit?
Awesome, yeah. For the first time I did it and I really liked it.
Lovely. Kaushal, तुझा एक्सपिरियन्स कसा वाटला
As
तुझा?
always, I love guns, dude. It's awesome.
मजा आली आज. Short one but very nice, very unique. मजा आ गया. Alright, so we've come to this street side Thai restaurant called Ahoidi. Standard order as usual. Chicken in holy basil and chili. We've ordered also for the sea bass and some spring rolls. To go along with that, some chilled chang beer. एकदम शांत इवनिंग गेली आज, रिलॅक्स. जास्त काय गडबड नाही केली. 2-3 एजेंडा स्टिक बॉक्स केले, शूटिंग रेंज. Also went to a night market. Good fun. Alright, so the second night in Pattaya. Kaushal, you ready?
By local vibes.
Yes. Where are we going now?
Soy 6.
We're going to Soy 6.
Barley.
बघूया काय इकडे.
The barley.
Alright, good morning everyone, and we are off to Bangkok. So Pattaya is done and time for Bangkok. That's the car that we got. Lovely black color Fortuner. So the plan is to head to Bangkok, go to the hotel, and from there on go to MBK because our check-in will be again at 3 o'clock, so I don't think so we'll get the check-in. See you there. Okay, perfect. So boys, goodbye Pattaya.
Goodbye, Pattaya.
Time for Bangkok.
You
Gonna get a quick snack. Yes,
Yes.
come from India. Stayed for 2 nights in Pattaya, now to Bangkok.
How
Alright, so we are in Aira, Bangkok. Just came in. That's the quick room tour. This is my second time in this hotel. So we've taken an interconnecting room. Pretty big rooms. That's the interconnecting door. We got one king bed,
स्विमिंग हो गया स्विमिंग
a twin bed. Superb. Fantastic. So shopping झाली आहे मस्तपैकी एकदम. Finally we are in the tuk-tuk. Was आज दिवसभर काही जास्त रेकॉर्ड नाही केलं. पटायावरनं आलो and then straight we went to the hotel, checked in and went to Siam Square for shopping. Picked up some nice sneakers and stuff. Siam is the best mall. माझ्यामध्ये तरी best mall आहे. Alright, it's too loud. Good morning from Bangkok. Good morning. It's time for some breakfast. We had an easy night last night. We were chilling for a bit. Didn't go out, finished the mall, came back, didn't record much again. But tonight is the last night, so let's see how it goes. Rohit and Amit are expected to be back in Bangkok by around 3 o'clock. They didn't join us yesterday, so they're coming today. And excited. So last night, I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. Cheers. आज मजबूत पाऊस असल्यामुळे कुठेही बाहेर जाणं डिफिकल्ट होतं आहे. यू हॅव टू टेक अ टॅक्सी.
होंडा सिटी
rendering like me. So crazy rains today. Kaushal. But we are going to Siam Paragon for some more shopping. मला करायची. Alright, so a lot of shopping in Siam Paragon. आता आपण आलो आहोत The Hound Bar. There seems to be a good burger which I'm gonna feast on. What are you having? So order करतो and I'll be back. कुशल काय आलंय बघितलं आपल्याकडे आता एकदम मजेदार गोष्ट आली आहे. काला पाव.
काला पाव.
It's called black bun.
The chef forgot to remove it from the stove, so it's burnt. It's all burnt.
Finally Sudeep is excited. मस्त एकदम Negroni आली आहे. What is the combination of Negroni, Sudeep?
It's gin, Campari, and sweet lemon with an orange twist.
Wonderful. So gin, Campari, orange vermouth, sweet vermouth or orange vermouth? Sweet vermouth.
And with an orange slice.
And an orange slice, just to give you a little bit of bitterness. It's a lovely drink. कल्ला मिळाली नाही Negroni, sadly. कौशलने काहीतरी चॉकलेट पॉपकॉर्न असं मागवलंय. Delicious, delicious. So finally कौशलचं जेवण आलेलं आहे and he's ordered for seafood risotto.
Oh, okay,
Looks delicious.
shells of the
Lambs, it's called. Tisrya, in short. Shells nahi, tisrya.
straight.
Bon appetit. Lovely tuna, avocado, tartar with kame wafers from Thailand. But this is interesting. Huh?
Balaji wafer.
एकदम चांगल्या जेवणाचा चिपनेस वाढवताय तुम्ही. But chalo, we should all thank God for this wonderful food and enjoy it. आता जेवू दे. The burgers here, yeah, looks good, delicious. Sudeep has also ordered the same thing and it looks really delicious. Super. Time to pound the Hound burger with some curly fries. Interesting.
बात का खाना you're taking us in 84 बात का metro. Cheap people.
सो बँकॉकच्या मेट्रोमध्ये आलेलो आहोत. 1 अप आणि राईट हँड साईडला जायचं आहे. ही ह्यांची मेट्रो आहे आणि इकडून जायचं आहे. हे आहे ह्यांची मेट्रो. आम्ही सियाम पॅरागॉनला होतो. नाव वी आर हेडेड टू नाना स्टेट. So guys, how was it? How was your journey? मस्त एकदम फंटास्टिक होती एकदम ही गाडी. पटापट. Right, so finally some massage time. सगळे पाय धुत आहेत एकदम मस्त. Alright, so last night in Bangkok. Kaushal, how was your trip?
It was awesome.
Superb. So we're just chilling in the room and त्याच्यानंतर probably planning to go down where but Levels at Iloft Hotel. Just book a table there and party tonight. It's the last night in Bangkok. Tomorrow we fly back to Mumbai. So ours full dhamal. Yeah. The next one has to be Pizza Boys, Nick.
Awesome, yeah.
So we're chilling.
This is Ibiza only?
Yeah.
Alright, so a lot of debate on where are we gonna go. And finally we come to Mulis, which is right down our hotel. We wanted to go to a nightclub. They were charging around 8,000 baht. But there was a lot of difference of opinion. Finally, we're watching Chelsea versus Liverpool. Whatever it is. Good morning. Last day. आता आम्ही
करून ready.
ब्रेकफास्ट मस्त झालं एकदम. ब्रेकफास्ट bar. So 11. That's Aira Hotel. This is where we stayed. Now we are heading to this place called Malis. It's like a sports bar, but amazing food. So final lunch in Bangkok. Amit.
Yeah, final lunch.
This is one of my favorite dishes. It's called Kai Krapao. Basically minced chicken with bird eye chilies, jasmine rice, and holy basil. Fantastic stuff. Yeah. And this is the Tom Yum Goong. Right, gentlemen, lunch is done.
But next time only Bangkok.
Super. Alright, so आपण आता निघालो आहोत. Sudeep, we left Bangkok.
That brings an end to the trip.
Say goodbye to Soi 11.
सगळे म्हणतात कोबरा बॉईज
Fantastic.
पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या.
उब्रा बॉईजला म्हणतात पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या. मजा आली. एकदम मस्त ट्रिप गेली. चिल केलं. पूल, विला, hotel, bars by the beach, good food, shopping, very little bit shopping. Alright, so the boys are at the airport. Time to leave. Just getting our luggage out. Chill. Headed to check in. The boys content, satisfied. Time to go back to Mumbai. Kaushal, you're happy? Super.
Amazing trip.
Loved it?
It was an amazing trip.
Fantastic. Totally worth it. Much needed boys trip after a very, very long time. It's from Thailand.
What a trip, what a trip.
Kaushal,
was an outstanding trip. The best trip of my life.
You enjoyed the most amongst all the trips,
Yeah, absolutely.
irrespective. Huh? This was one of the best. I mean, this was the number one trip.
Yeah, this was my first trip with boys. So
you are
it's special.
Jimmy Baba Tuesday.
You are extremely happy.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Would you like to do another one next year?
Let's see.
Jimmy said in January 2026. Jan 2026.
Next year is not very far, just 3 months away.
विंडो लगेच उघडते पुढच्या वीक
I actually don't mind.
पुढच्या वीक मध्ये फायरची विंडो उघडते जॅनची लगेच
कर्जत.
जॅनचं फ्लाईट लागलं चिपळून आपण मधलं तर शोधूया.
Alright boys, so finally the trip ends. We are off to Mumbai. The boys are all checked in. Passengers are boarding. So see you in Mumbai.